Joining us now, Federal Defense Attorney Ronald Chapman. Welcome to you and thank you. So Title 10 of U.S. Code, this gives the president the authority. What authority does it give the National Guard in a situation like this on the streets of L.A.?
Yeah, it's a lot more limited than what most people think. Title 10 really is only going to allow the National Guard to engage in crowd control, to attempt to disperse the crowd, act as a deterrent effect. But what it won't allow them to do is to detain citizens, throw them in jail, make any sort of arrest or move forward with prosecution. They're really going to be there to aid local law enforcement and make sure that the protests are quelled, unlike traditional local law enforcement efforts, which will still be sort of deployed under what Gavin Newsom wants them to be deployed for.
And was this under the president's authority to applicably disperse the troops there? I mean, did he have the authority to do that as you read the law?
Yes, absolutely. So I know Gavin Newsom has threatened to sue. I don't think that it's likely that he would achieve a favorable outcome unless for some reason the troops started to step outside of line of traditional authority. But the ability to deploy the troops belongs to the president. And basically the factor is periods of unrest. And what is unrest? Well, it can be something temporary. We all may recall the Kent State issue that happened many, many years ago. That was sort of a faulty deployment of the National Guard. But here, as long as the troops remain peaceful, their deployment would be lawful to quell any sort of unrest, especially what we've been seeing out there right now.